then another rainy, crazy day has come in Minecraft. So this one is PE version, but this can also be used in PC version. But I'm going to tell you how to do it in the PC version because it's extremely easy, more than the PE version. Because you still need to click some stuff at the screen. But anyway, this is my sister's mansion, and she asked me to make a doorbell because I already invented something at this crazy rainy day, and this really works, and it actually rings. So if you click this button up here, it is the button for the doorbell. So I'll click it, and this one's so stupid. I have lots of problems in it because after you make it, you still need to break it over here. This part over here, you need to break it after you use it. You go to the left side and, ring it. We'll put another one. Well, it's really hard. It's really easy to make, but the controls are extremely hard. So, So, there we go. I have lots of problems with this, but it actually rings. So, I'll put this button over there, and you will hear it ring. See, heard that? It doesn't really sound like a doorbell, but it is a doorbell. And I watched some doorbell stuff on YouTube. I got this idea and I copied it, but in a different way. So here are the materials. These are the materials needed, I meant. So first, we will get a block of our choice. Next, the note block, the star of this video, and redstone repeater, redstone dust, and the button of your choice. So, here I already digged for my example. I already digged this part. Six times. This one over here, this one at the top, at the back part is 3 times, and also at the front part 3 times. So after that, I put a redstone repeater in between of the front one. Then I forgot to do one thing. I really need to click the redstone repeater 3 times. But for PC version, you need to right click it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now at the front part, we are going to click the node blocks. Yeah, we're going to click the node blocks. For the PC version, they are going to right click it. No matter how many numbers they are going to click it. So, first is the left one. We will always start with the left one. Okay, so the left one at the front needs to be right click for PC version 17 times, but for PE version, we just need to click it. 17 times too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. Now at the right part, we need to right click it for the PC version. We need to right click it at 13 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, the back ones will be once only. Right click it once, PC players. But for the PE version, you already know. So, okay. You're already done at the right side. Now you just need to dig the left side the same way as the other one. 6 times. Good. So after that, we are going to get the block of our choice, which is the block of quartz. So we need to put it like that. The stairway mode. Good. After that, put the redstone dust. So I really need to add some space in here. So probably you're going to do it more like the other side will be 4 times. No, 9 times. And after that, we'll put it like that. Listen to what I say, and if you do it wrong, nothing works. Remember, nothing works in it. So now we're going to put like over here, like the example over here at my sister's mansion, like I put it over there so that no redstone can be gone or something. I put it in this style. And if you also have another style, you can also do it in your style, your opinion. After that, put the button in front and click. So you can hear it and you can see the light that's coming through. And it really works, guys. So I really need some subscribers. And I'll be giving away the MacBook Air. I'm kidding. I don't have giveaways. I'll be thinking about it next week. And watch out for some videos and subscribe it so that you can be on promos and I'll give you away some stuff. But anyway, thanks for watching this video and I hope you enjoy your doorbell. Bye guys.